Zeeco's manufacturing capabilities go well beyond our individual facilities. We offer a fully integrated global network built to deliver world-class combustion and environmental solutions with speed, precision, and reliability. Each facility operates in accordance with rigorous local and international codes and standards, ensuring consistent quality and performance, no matter where our equipment is built. Together, these facilities form one coordinated global manufacturing engine, enabling Zeeco to deliver the industry's most advanced technologies. Located near Tulsa, Oklahoma, USA, Zeeco's Global Technology Center serves as a core manufacturing and testing hub for advanced combustion and environmental systems, anchoring our global network through engineering, fabrication, full-scale testing, and rental and rapid response equipment. Shanghai, China is home to the Zeeco China Integrated Complex. This expansive and innovative campus combines manufacturing, testing, and R&D capabilities to support projects for regional and global customers. Zeeco Europe operates in the United Kingdom, focusing on specialized equipment manufacturing, rapid delivery, and project execution, with the ability to customize all equipment to meet market specifications. Strategically located in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Zeeco Middle East provides heavy fabrication capabilities, supporting the full range of Zeeco products, from large-scale equipment to replacement parts delivery, while meeting stringent regional specifications. Located near Mexico City, Zeeco Therme is the primary manufacturer of advanced combustion and environmental solutions in Mexico, supporting large capital projects, rental equipment, and aftermarket parts for customers throughout the Americas and beyond. Located near Mumbai, Zeeco India operates a heavy fabrication facility with large-scale manufacturing capabilities, producing industrial equipment and supporting Zeeco's global manufacturing network. Based in Seoul, South Korea, Zeeco Asia focuses on specialized equipment and rapid spare parts delivery, supporting operations across Asia and beyond. Zeeco's manufacturing capabilities are peerless in the industry, with a fully integrated global network that connects each facility, enabling our team to execute thousands of projects each year while maintaining world-class HSE standards and a zero-incident safety culture. Our heavy manufacturing capabilities, rigorous quality control, and engineering excellence ensure we deliver reliable, high-performance combustion equipment and environmental solutions to customers worldwide. For more information about Zeeco's global manufacturing capabilities, contact your local Zeeco representative.